Alright, here's our 40-gallon Sorority Betta / community tank. They're all doing very well. We have 10 tetras in there, 10 Bettas, 5 of the emerald Cory cats. We have 4 Amano Shrimp. We have a Butterfly Pleco camouflaged underneath that internal filter. It's a 40 internal and a 75 hang on the back. Keeps it pretty clean. I'm trying to adjust. This is our Finnex 24/7. It's the CC model. I'm trying to adjust that just right so that the plants grow, but algae does not. So you can see our 10 tetras, neons. Got a crown tail going out right there. We have 2 crown tails. Here's our elephant ear. Fun little girl. 2 of the Cory cats. All these plants in here are live except for this one in the back left behind the filter. Just added that in to give a little bit more hiding spots to the top of the tank. We have 2 koi, 2 crown tail, an elephant ear, 3 Veiltail, and those last ones are slipping my mind. There's our Amano Shrimp doing some work. Oh, hello. It's one of the crown tails. Oh, and the other ones are half moons, like that one back there. Hanging around with the koi. Tank's doing pretty well for being Bettas in there. I think they like it, having all that space in there. Working on getting some more tall plants so that they feel even happier. But sure a beauty to look at, that's for sure. Thanks for watching.